Auto Avenue is your go-to destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge vehicles, in-depth car reviews, and everything automotive. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Imperial 10, a vehicle that redefines performance, luxury, and technology. This model is built for enthusiasts who crave power, innovation, and top-tier comfort, all packed into a sleek and stylish design. Under the hood, the 2025 Imperial 10 boasts a high-performance engine designed to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Whether it is a turbocharged V6 or an electrified powerhouse, the engineering behind this machine ensures seamless acceleration, impressive horsepower, and optimized fuel efficiency. The advanced transmission system works effortlessly to provide smooth gear shifts, making every ride feel refined and powerful. This vehicle is also equipped with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and control in various driving conditions. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2025 Imperial 10 offers a perfect blend of luxury and modern technology. Premium materials cover every surface, with high-quality leather seats, soft touch panels, and customizable ambient lighting that creates a sophisticated atmosphere. The spacious interior is designed with both driver and passenger comfort in mind, offering ergonomic seating and a range of convenience features. The state-of-the-art infotainment system comes with an ultra-responsive touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. Voice recognition and AI-assisted controls make it easier than ever to access essential features without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety is a top priority, and the 2025 Imperial 10 comes packed with advanced driver assistance technologies. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system enhance driver confidence on the road. The latest sensor-based technology helps prevent collisions, while intelligent parking assist makes maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. With a reinforced body structure and an array of airbags, this vehicle ensures maximum protection for occupants. On the exterior, the Imperial 10 boasts a bold and aerodynamic design that commands attention. Sleek LED headlights, a dynamic front grille, and sculpted body lines give it a striking presence on the road. The vehicle's alloy wheels and performance tires not only enhance its sporty appeal but also contribute to a smoother and more controlled ride. Whether parked or in motion, the Imperial 10 exudes a sense of sophistication and power. Driving enthusiasts will appreciate the precision engineering that has gone into the chassis and suspension setup. Whether tackling sharp corners or cruising on highways, the handling remains sharp and responsive. The advanced braking system ensures quick and controlled stops, adding another layer of confidence to the driving experience. With multiple driving modes available, users can tailor their ride to suit different terrains and driving preferences. Another standout feature of the 2025 Imperial 10 is its smart connectivity options. With over-the-air software updates, real-time navigation, and an intuitive digital cockpit, this vehicle stays ahead of the curve in automotive technology. The seamless integration of smart home devices allows users to control various functions remotely, from presetting the climate control to checking battery status in electric variants. Efficiency has also been a key focus in the development of the Imperial 10. The latest fuel-efficient engine technology ensures reduced emissions without compromising performance. For those looking for an electrified option, the plug-in hybrid or full electric variant provides an eco-friendly alternative with impressive range and fast charging capabilities. With its perfect combination of power, style, and cutting-edge features, the